Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name in Pokemon Home. So this is going to work for any mobile device, whether it's Android, iPhone, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the Pokemon Home app and you're going to let that load up for around about 5 seconds, and then once it gets to the home screen, we've got to click tap to start. Click that, it's going to be another 5 seconds. And then once you get to the home screen, it's going to be a pretty simple process. So as you can see, this page is going to come up. You're going to see all these things, you got options you can click on. But the one you're going to need to click on is actually your name. You're going to see it next to the little icon character. You're going to have your name there. You want to click on that just once. And then where it says your name at the bottom, you're going to want to click there on the little pencil. And it's going to bring it up. So right now I've got the How To Cow. But now I can change it to whatever I want. So let's say the cow to how instead, so then you can say it's a bit different, put a bit more just so you can see it's different there. So then I can click done, and then you can see it's a name change. You can go back out, you can go back in, you can see it has changed. It's a pretty simple process. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the links to the other videos up and playlist on screen to see more videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.